Giggles and grapes.
Let's learn prepositions with Nini today. To learn the prepositions, all we need is a box and Nini. So the first preposition is in. Let's try to put Nini in the box. Nini is in the box. Our next preposition is on. Let's put Nini on the box. Nini is on the box. Our next preposition is in front of. Let's place Nini in front of the box. Nini is in front of the box. Our next preposition is behind. Let's place Nini behind the box. Nini is behind the box. Our next preposition is between. To demonstrate this, we need another box. Let's place Nini between the boxes. Now Nini is between the boxes. These were some prepositions. Let's see how many you remember. Fill in the blank. Nini is blank the box. Nini is in the box. Good job, guys. Fill in the blank. Nini is blank the box. Nini is behind the box. Fill in the blank. Nini is blank the box. Nini is in front of the box.
Subscribe, like, and don't forget to press the bell icon.